My name's Ron. I'm a businessman and keen cyclist. It's been 3 months since I had my Mirror Dry sweat treatment, and now I'm here at this gym and I'm going to put in 20 minutes of intense exercise to put the treatment to the test. I'm not wearing any antiperspirant at all, and I'm going to exercise as hard as I can to see if I can still sweat under my arms.
Everybody sweats, and we all try to control this with antiperspirants to stop our underarm sweat glands from working, or we use deodorants to mask the smell. Antiperspirants and deodorants are part of our normal daily routine, but deodorant stains, occasional patches, rashes, and concerns about chemicals are common reasons why spray-on products are not always the solution for everyone.
When I heard about the Mirror Dry treatment, it immediately gained my interest. I had no idea that there was something out there which could permanently reduce underarm sweating.
Everyone's level of sweating is a little different, both when you're relaxed or active. Think of it as a sliding scale. Some people barely sweat at all. Others experience sweat marks and odour in occasional situations. And a few people find that effectively controlling their underarm sweat is a daily problem.
Although I didn't excessively sweat, working in London and being on and off the tubes and running around in between meetings meant that I was often self-conscious about having sweaty armpits. I always had a bottle of sprayed deodorant in my bag and would reapply it a couple of times during the day.
During my studies in school and then high school and then the university as well, I was trying to live with it because I didn't know that there was a treatment for it, but it was quite embarrassing actually.
So, after about 20 minutes of exercise, as you can see, I'm kind of sweating from about everywhere else, but sort of except here. So as you can see, for me at least, I don't think I'm going to need to wear antiperspirants ever again.
Mirror Dry works by using clinically proven non-invasive electromagnetic technology to carefully heat and eliminate sweat glands in the underarm. It's a similar concept to laser hair removal, and as well as permanent sweat and odour reduction, it also reduces underarm hair after just one treatment. Recovery is quick, and you can return to work or your normal routine the day after your treatment.
The Mirror Dry procedure itself was a little uncomfortable, but not painful at all. I was a bit sore and swollen for a couple of days afterwards, however, it was totally worth it.
The feedback has been universally very positive. Certainly based upon American data, it's one of the highest satisfaction in terms of client experience of any cosmetic procedure using a device. And I would certainly say that my patients have had a similar very, very high level of satisfaction. Minimal downtime, minimal discomfort, and maximal results.
You don't actually need the underarm sweating at all. It's just a nuisance. And because it's triggered by sympathetic nerves, so it will be triggered by anxiety, by stress, by all sorts of other things, you often pour sweat from the armpits when you don't need to physiologically. So no, getting rid of your sweat under your arms is completely safe, can't do any harm at all.
So I looked into Mirror Dry and underwent the treatment myself and found that in my case, after only one treatment, I've had a significant reduction in sweating to the point where I sweat probably less than an average person would, and I'm very satisfied with the treatment myself.
It's something that I think is great, and it's something that I would promote to all my patients.
Most people are delighted with the immediate and permanent reduction in sweat and odour that this unique treatment offers.
It's safe to say that after the treatment, I don't have to worry about my underarm sweating.
I'm absolutely amazed by the results and how instant they were.
The sweating stopped straight away basically, which was quite impressive for me to find myself not sweating from my underarms anymore.
I would definitely recommend Mirror Dry to friends or family. I think it just makes life a lot easier when you don't have to worry about something as silly as sweating.